stopped in Palestine, Arkansas for 34. I wasn't really going to do a 34, but my gasket on my trailer for the axle decided it wanted to let go. And so by the time that was fixed, I was already off for 24 hours, so it made no sense to start going, so I just did a 34, and now we're on our way, or we've been on our way since this morning, but we're probably going to stop either in Amarillo, Texas, or like Tucumcari, New Mexico. My goal is to get this off Tuesday morning so it goes on this paycheck, so I'm pushing. But that's why I wasn't going to do a 34, so that way I can keep moving and I can get it off. But, you know, stuff happens in trucking and you got to adapt and overcome and keep going. So, we've been making pretty good time though, and really haven't any issues. It was really foggy earlier today in Arkansas and the beginning of Oklahoma. But it wasn't too bad. It's really windy, I'll tell you that. It's been a while since I've been through Oklahoma City area. Normally I'm crossing over the small panhandle into Kansas. But yeah, other than that, nothing really else going on, you know, just getting ready for Christmas, and New Year's I'll be on the road, so but yeah, we pretty much have all our stuff wrapped and done, so that's good. And then, like I said, I've just been hustling, trying to make these paychecks, so we're going to try not to crash into this idiot who wants to slam on the brakes on the highway, because, you know, no one knows how to read signs. Struggle of trucking and the idiots on the road. So we'll see if there's any issues getting through Oklahoma City here, and we'll start hammering down again. Alright, y'all, good afternoon. We started early this morning. We did 729 miles yesterday. We ended up, what was it, right before the New Mexico border, and on the 40, stopped at this little Valero with a big dirt lot next to it. That's where I ended up parking. And then today, we've been having some interesting wiring issues. I think it was the load from, where was that? It went to Dallas. It was from Atlanta to Dallas. I had wiring issues in the trailer. I fixed it. And then now I have something grounding out back there, which keeps popping my fuses. And then when I went to go do my 30-minute break today, oh shit, this happened last night. something is shorting out in my dome lights in the cab here. So every time I put a new fuse in, which is a 20 amp, it pops it. So I don't know what's going on. And then on my 30-minute, or just when I was pulling into my 30-minute break, my ELD just died completely, and I didn't realize it. Something to do with the power cable isn't working correctly, so I haven't plugged it through a phone charger. Yeah, we're about 26 miles from Flagstaff. You might not be able to see in the video, but the mountains are snow-capped. Pretty good. It's about 53 degrees here today. But other than wasting 2.5 hours trying to figure out, 2 hours of trying to figure out what the hell's going on with my ELD, and I was locked in the drive, so that pissed me off. And then I still had to do a 30-minute break once I got it back up and working the way it's supposed to. Yeah, it was stupid. But we're like 700 and I want to say like 80 miles away from delivery. So I'm pushing it as hard as freaking possible. I need this this load to go on this paycheck to kind of recoup from Christmas. Downfall, I guess, of having a bigger family. But yeah, other than that, everything else is going pretty good. Just, you know, the little random things that's going on. But we've been moving, and I'm thankful for that. So I've been a little behind on videos and trying to get stuff up and record. But with the holiday, I've just been on go. And so I apologize to you guys for that, but I do appreciate you guys, every single one of you that likes and subscribes to my content and my videos. I want to see all you guys on the next couple videos. Just smash that like button and drop a comment down below. I don't care if it's just saying hi, or you didn't like the video. Either way, if you guys can do that for me, that would be freaking awesome. I'm trying to get back in this algorithm for YouTube. It's I had one video go like 6,000 views, and then I have the last one that's like 130. It makes zero sense. But yeah, in this video and the next couple videos, if you guys can just hit that like button, and if you guys aren't subscribed, feel free to smash that subscribe button as well for more content. The farther into winter, it seems like we get more oversized, so I should probably get more oversized stuff coming here. Although it seems like I'm also on a pretty good triangle of what I do, so I kind of know exactly what I'm going to do roughly, which is fine by me. So yeah, if you guys are interested in driving for Valley Transportation, you can go to their website, valleytransinc.com. When you apply, make sure you use my truck number, which is 2420, and it'll help me out greatly, and I can put a good word in for everybody. So, but I'm going to get going here. It's just, we're going down the 40 all the way across. So, pretty soon we're going to be hitting typical Arizona roads. Right now it's semi-smooth, but once we get into Flagstaff, it becomes a little bumpy, and we're trying to get to Kingman, so that's the goal. But me, and they're using the ramp even though they're already in, so I'm not really sure why, but it is what it is. But we're going to go park because we have about 2 hours left on our clock. So
take the exit from the middle lane, you sack of shit.
But I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all. So after we delivered that cat wheel loader, we ended up going back to the truck stop there in Lodi, and then we ended up deadheading down to Rialto, Fontana area, and picking up four mini excavators, and they went to Oxnard, and where else did they go? Oh, back up to Bakersfield. Just a little local-ish load for one of our main John Deere dealers there. And now, after I delivered those, we picked up 2 more mini excavators, and they're heading to Colorado Springs, Colorado, and then Frederick, Colorado. Currently, I am in, I think it's like Warrenburg or Colorado, basically just after you get out of New Mexico. And I didn't film too much, so I apologize. I'm really trying to hustle and get everything situated and off, so that way I can get home in time for Christmas. So we're doing a 34 here. I pushed really hard to get here. I stopped with 4 hours. I'm like 70. But with today being Sunday and I stopped at 6, I'll get a 34 in, so I don't have to worry about it. Even though I'm getting enough time back on my clock, I'll get just about 11 at midnight tonight, and then it's another 11 or just shy of, and then like a 10 and some change. But if I could push and do a 34 where I don't have to worry about time, I'd rather just not. So that's what we're doing now. I'll deliver first thing when they open tomorrow morning, run up just north of Denver to Frederick. Both of these places are pretty quick of unloading and getting in and out, so I'm not too worried about that. And we'll see if we're going to take a load back to Arizona, if we're going to deadhead. But I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for me. I do greatly appreciate all of who do, and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.